ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಪೋಯಮ್ ದಿ ಜಿಮ್ನಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಈ ಪೋಯಮ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೀವಿನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ಗೇಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, listen to the piece of text that your teacher reads out to you. Second one, fill in the blanks with the words you have heard. The little spider crawled down the wall by using its web so it wouldn't fall. It crawled to the bottom and back up again, then thought to himself, what a fine game. So he called his friends to join the game, and they played all day till night time came, and when they had finished, they went off to bed and left all the wall covered over in web. This is the first lesson. To the Gymnastic Clock, written by M.C. Davis. C1, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences each. First question is, name the 2 characters in the poem. Answer to the first question is, 2 characters in the poem are clock and poet. First answer is over. Next, move to the second one. What does the clock tell the speaker each morning? Answer, the clock reminds the speaker not to forget his daily exercise. Second answer is also over. Next, move to the third one. Does the clock stop its exercise anytime? Answer, no, the clock does not stop its exercise. In C1, last question, fourth one. What similarity do you speaker and the clock share? Answer to the fourth question is, both the speaker and clock can swing their arms and they exercise daily. Fourth answer is also over. Here all the fourth questions are over. Next, move to C2. Complete the following. Make a list of the words that are repeated in the poem. First one is plain. Second one is exercise. Third one is you. And fourth one is I. Next, move to the C3. Read the poem again and answer the following. First one, I exercise like this all day. And A, who is referred to as I. Answer to the first question A, I refer to clock. And move to the B. What is the exercise? Answer, the clock raises its hands above and lowers it very slowly all the day. Very slowly all the day. And the C, when does it do it? Answer, it does it in the morning all the time. In first, all the 3 questions are over, A and B and C. Next, move to the second one. Prove I wouldn't boast of it like you. A, first question, who is referred to as you? Answer, you is referred to as a clock. And second question, B, what is he boasting about? Answer, he is boasting about the continuous exercise of his hands above and below. C, is there a competition between the one who says this line and the clock? Answer to the first C is, Yes, the speaker or the poet says the above line in the competitive mode. In the second question, A, B, C are over. Next, move to the next part. Know more about the poem. Study the words given below and pick out rhyming words from the poem. One is done for you. Me, B, rises, exercise. No, so. You, too, way, day. Next, move to the next part, personification. When you make a thing, an idea, or an animal do something that only human beings can do. Example, wind yells while blowing. This is an example of personification because the wind cannot yell, only a human being can yell. And the first one, identify two examples for personification in the poem. Answer to the first question is, it talks as plain as can be. And the second one, and says each morning as it rises. It's over. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.